Where's Rational Software heading? Well, Rational Software is heading exactly where our customers want us to head, which is helping them better govern the business process of software and systems delivery, and better aligning their investments in software against their business objectives. And that's much more than just software development tools and helping them actually build applications, but more about managing the business processes involved in doing that. In today's environment, increasingly customers are looking to deliver software in different ways. They may outsource it, they may develop it in-house, they may buy packaged applications, they may take different pieces of it and outsource testing, for example. But when it's all said and done, they have to integrate it, customize it, deliver it, and then maintain it across the life cycle against their business objectives. And what Rational is here to do is help customers across that entire spectrum. One of the major themes of this announcement is empowering the A, architecture, in a services-oriented architecture, or SOA. And this theme is very important to our customers because as they begin to approach their software delivery in a more modular, flexible fashion, the architecture becomes critically important, and particularly in a globally distributed environment. The customers have to deal with a massive amount of services that they're trying to figure out how to reuse, how to bring together in a way that can really help enhance the flexibility and the time to market. So how do you do that in a global environment and be able to deliver against an architecture with integrity? The second thing that comes into play here, again, is the global nature of SOA. By definition, things become more decentralized in terms of how you deliver software. So managing that decentralized environment and making sure that the design and the code and the assets are all reconciled becomes important. We're delivering new capabilities to help global teams better deliver against their software architectures in a global environment with integrity. There's 4 key pieces to that. One, we're helping customers fast-track their SOA initiatives by better aligning the development and delivery of services against their business process models. 2 is we're helping deliver integrity in how they actually design and implement architectures across the world in a globally distributed environment. Thirdly, we're helping with systems development and helping customers that build embedded systems, for example, in an aerospace environment on an airplane, deal with new standards and a new complexity. And then fourthly, we're helping developers have more flexibility on how they configure their desktops, how they have a more modular approach to actually building out what they need based on the latest Eclipse standards. Most of the discussion in the marketplace today around SOA has been in the context of enabling business flexibility, helping our customers create business processes that are just more flexible and dynamic and how they run their businesses. But if you think about what SOA is really all about, it's about modularity, it's about consumability, it's about the flexibility of how you deliver software. And that's very relevant to how you deliver software within a systems context.
Rational is specifically addressing the communities that are developing complex applications by focusing on systems engineering, by focusing on some of the industry regulations, the industry standards that are required from these types of companies. For instance, SysML. Leveraging SysML and some of the connections to UML allows you to share that best practice methodology between software and hardware providers, which is where systems engineering are focusing more and more of their time.
There's a thriving community of millions of developers out there that are supporting the Eclipse technologies. Not only do the products now support the latest Eclipse standards, but IBM has come out with a new Elite support offering for customers that have developers using Eclipse, and IBM will provide first-class commercial-level support to users of open-source Eclipse tools, in addition to the commercial tools that they may have. And again, the objective here is to help ensure our customers that are investing in Eclipse skills that they get the return on investment from doing so.
Rational's had a long history with open source, and open source being just another community of interest or a community of practice, specifically with Eclipse. Eclipse is in its 5th birthday, so it's 5 years old this year, and Rational has been there from the beginning. One of the ways version 7 of our Rational toolset has evolved with Eclipse is that instead of having to install our version of Eclipse, we now take advantage of the Eclipse that's out there.
I tell you, this is really exciting times for us at Rational. We've been spending a lot of time with our customers. We're hearing what they need. And again, I keep going back to the fact that it's more than just software development tools and capabilities. It's helping them better govern the process on how they deliver software, organizational effectiveness, helping to drive organizational improvement in terms of time to market, dealing with business flexibility issues, and of course dealing with mitigating risk and ensuring compliance. And that's exactly where we're heading, is because the customers are driving us there.